Welcome to another vlogging week.
It's about to go away.
We are...
Other particular about to go away.
We're at Ross. I'm returning this Edith thing that Makai made me buy that he claims he don't want anymore. So your girl is returning it and getting her coins back. Normally I would just leave it and not return it, but I want my money back. Y'all should be proud. So let's get into it, because I'm not supposed to be buying anything in there. Let's hope I don't buy anything in there. I also want to go into Target. I need to take these kids to the mall. They said they want to go to the mall to play. And then I need to print my 1099. I don't know if I'm gonna print my 1099 now or later, but we shall see. So let's get into it. I'm in Target trying on stuff.
Beep, boop, beep, beep. Kai, look, I have ears.
Mister, these kids are hard of hearing. Look on this one. Pull out our road, man. On this one.
But that because we got.
Let me see it. These kids always have me buying some foolish. Oh, it's candy. Foolishness. Anyways, we're officially out of Ross. I returned Kai's thing. And I went into Target and got some tops. I'll try them on later when I get home or tomorrow. But we got to go to the mall because the kids want to go to the mall. Hopefully I get to the mall by 3. That's the goal. 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. So by 4:30 they'll have an hour and a half to play. Then we'll go home. So we are at the mall.
Yeah, we at the mall.
It's 3:02.
And I got a dinosaur.
Miss Milani got a dinosaur from Target. Alright, let's get in here so you guys can play. This
Hi, I want you. 3, 2, 1, go!
Milani.
Mommy, can I do it?
So we are leaving the mall.
Well, I'm late.
We chop money. We're not late because you don't have dance today. I went into H&M. H&M have some nice stuff, but
My mommy said I'm not late.
but they don't have any sizes. All they have was small, medium, large.
I'm not late.
The bottom for me is definitely not a large. It's not giving a large. It's giving an extra large. Sometimes an extra
I
large.
love pizza.
So I got a few things.
I love. Do you see the bread?
Sorry if I'm chopping my mouth.
The little bread.
Sorry. And then I stopped at Express. Express is having a really nice sale. So yeah, we're going home.
Peace.
You said peace, Papa?
Peace.
It's 5:45. Hopefully we get home by 6.
Peace. No, that is not peace. Mommy, I can't put my other one down because the one's just gonna go down like this. This? No, but I can't.
So we're officially home and babe made my one pot curry. Babe been making this for a long time. Way before it's trending on TikTok for years. He had a video about one pot curry, I think like 5 or 6 years ago. But yeah, we're home. I don't know if I'm gonna see you guys later or tomorrow, but whichever one it is. So hi guys, I'm going to take you guys with me to do a core circuit today, and yeah, good morning.
For the love got her hurting now. Oh my, she's a long way from suburban towns. Long way, really long way from suburbia. Small town love, fall down love. Not let a kid drink too much, think too much. Thoughts drowning me, I'm too hot. Please don't cry, stop downing me. You don't know love, you just show love. Stop doubting me, self-love. He don't love himself, tryna love me, cuff me, tell the truth to him. He don't trust me, self-love. He don't love himself, tryna love me, cuff me, tell the truth to him. He don't trust me. Oh my, she's a long way from suburban towns. Came to the city for the love, got her hurting now. Oh my, she's a long way from suburban towns. Long way, really long way from suburbia. Big dreams, yeah, big screams, yeah. She's impressionable, you can see, yeah. Money scheme, yeah. I've been questionable, my friends drive new beamer, drop out convertible, love hanging out. Say you hating now, feeling introvertical. Self-love, he don't love himself, tryna love me, cuff me, tell the truth to him. He don't trust me. Self-love, he don't love himself, tryna love me, cuff me, tell the truth to him. He don't trust me. Oh my, she's a long way from suburban towns. Came to the city for the love, got her hurting now. Oh my, she's a long way from suburban towns. Long way, really long way from suburbia. For the love, got her hurting now. Oh my, she's a long way from suburban towns. Long way, really long way from suburbia. Small town love, fall down love. Not let a kid drink too much, think too much. Thoughts drowning me.
Anyway, when I tell you that you shouldn't question God, you never should question God, because the other day something happened to me and it was bad. And it was bad, and in the moment I was like, why me? Why now? And little did I know that it was going to be a blessing in disguise. And in the moment I was pissed. In the moment I was just like, why I have things to do, this is an inconvenience. Like, so much things was gonna come out of that. I would have to spend money and all sort of things, and look at God blessing me in the face of trials and tribulation. I think that's hilarious. But that goes to show, when you're being yourself and you're trying to put your best foot forward, even when negative stuff happens, sometimes it's God testing you to see how you're going to respond, to see if you learned your lesson and if you're going to choose to be a better person or the better version of yourself in that situation. And I definitely was a better version of myself. Instead of getting super pissed, super angry, I remained calm and I did everything that I was supposed to do, and in turn God bless me. So I'm about to go home. Today is Vice Cartel's verdict, and I came to the gym early so I could film and so babe can go live. So I'm gonna go home, bathe, try get the kids out the house and all that stuff. So let's get into today. Good morning. It's the next day. We're going to the beach. living our very best life. There is Papa. Baby's getting gas. I have his camera. See you soon.
It looks like the other was from an island. From one of those. Daddy, we found a coconut.
Found a
A coconut. Oh yeah, we have a coconut.
What's up, Papa? Said this to me already.
What?
I heard you before.
Yeah.
Tryna grab that. If you get too close, tell that nigga back. He been calling your phone, but you don't call back. Let him know it's his fault and he need to fall back. Used to be in love, now your life up Cupid. Hate to be a wreck, so that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the gram, tryna figure out where you been. All he need to know is that you're outside. Watch your real time while you too live. Easily adjusted to your new life. Stitch you let loose, you been too tight. Now you came here alone. I wanna take a back home. Wanna show some real ones. I'ma call you on the phone. Can get you all alone. All you need to know is you're outside now. Bring it back to the one.
Gorgeous. Hi, pretty Milani. What are you staring at? Flip, wake up. Are you... Get your finger out your mouth. Girl.
Really good at that. Really get the bag.
we are going home now. I'm sure you'll probably see some of the footage. I'm just gonna put music over it, use some of his footage. Hi, it's the next day. So it's time for spring cleaning. Take out all the dark stuff. Light, airy, fresh.
Fingers through your hair, pouring oils everywhere. Under the fire, can we take it a little bit higher? Set the tone when it's just me and you alone. Never lonely, alone. Breathing slowly, when you know me, yeah. Meditate, you can take me to a place. We can't be alone. I let you hold me, 'cause you know.
So the curtains and this store blanket match perfectly, but the sheet is a different shade. So I have to work. I'm probably gonna get a different color gray sheet, but whatever. So I have these. And these. I think I'm gonna go with these. Too much gray. So I haven't been vlogging very consistently and very good because my brother was in the hospital, my mom was in the hospital. I normally am very open. I've been on the internet for a long time and I used to be super open and tell all my business. Now I like to have some of my business private. So if you see this vlog and it's a little bit splotchy or not in sync, that's why. My brother was in the hospital. I felt like I needed some break to decompress, make sure my mind was right. My mom was also in the hospital. She is continuously going through treatments to fix what happened to her and it's not going right. So please pray for my family. But it's Easter. I'm so glad. I'm gonna do something, do an Easter egg hunt for the kids and make sure they have fun. Do a little brunch set up tomorrow and all of that. I am gonna go bathe and I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Probably tomorrow when Babe's frying fish and I'm setting up for the Easter weekend. So it's Easter. The kids opened their Easter gifts and their presents and all of that. They had a great time. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I'll see you next week. I'll try to do a better job vlogging.